Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use the application of Tubi. You will go to Tubi app as you see and you will click. Here in this page, you will wait a moment until you find this first page of Tubi app. As you see here, you will find a lot of movies or TV show, anything you want here. You can also find here live TV as you see in this page. Here you will find you will find here movies, and in this window here you will find TV shows, and you can choose anything you want in this page. Then here you will find this sign of Explore if you want to write the name of any movie you want, or to choose the category of these movies. Here you will find it in this list. For example, genres here. You can choose if you want action or anime or comedy or classics or anything. Here you will find the sign of your stuff. You will go to this sign of settings. Here we'll find data saver if you want to turn on or to turn off data saver. Also here auto start, auto play. You will go also here to the sign of notification center. You can manage your notifications, the notification of your staff updates, content recommendations, monthly newsletter, breaking news, product updates as you see. And also here you will find captions. You will find here this page. You can manage your captions to turn off, show captions, or turn on. Here if you want to choose the text size or caption style as you see here. So that's all. That's how you can use this application of Tubi for watching movies or TV shows or anything you want here in this page. Also here, if you want to play, you will click here play in this sign, and it will be turned on for you to watch this TV show here. You can click here I want to save my progress free, or maybe later, like this, and you will find here this this on for you like this. You can skip intro. You can find here also lock screen to turn on or turn off. Here data saver and auto play as you see, and here playback speed as you see. We'll find it in this page also here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your